Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to upload story on Instagram. Maybe you want to upload your photo to your story on Instagram but you don't know how. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can upload story on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram application, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, to add a story, you'll see here do your story. And then add button. Tap on this add button. And then in here, you simply select the photo that you want to add to your story. For example, this one. After that, you can tap on it to zoom it. And you can also tap on this letter to add letters or caption and emojis and stickers or filter. After that, tap on this button. And then in here, tap on this share and tap on this done button. As you can see, it's loading. And now, you just uploaded a story on Instagram. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to upload story on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can upload story on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.